Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. This is out here. I guess they're trying to grab. Girl, grab it before it's gone. 125 on the flops. Let me walk it on in. Yes, I've already walked up and down 3 aisles already, so I figured I'd take a break here. There is nothing new for me so far. I do want to grab a couple Power Blend for the road trip in the cart. Here are these ginger chews. I think I'm gonna grab another bag of these. I feel like, yeah, in the cart. Oh, nice, Pink Floyd. Girl with the red dot. I haven't seen these new dog toys. The cassette tape. That is funny. Oh yeah, the squeaker is inside. Hershey loves pulling on these, and then this one right here I haven't seen either. So yeah, some new good. This will forever be my favorite Dollar Tree for the socks. They are always rocking from end to end. Wow, I think we're good to go though. Yeah, I feel like we're good. Yes, on the Brazilian Mist liquid hand soap. I didn't even know this was a thing. Get out of here. So that's rocking. It's a few of them too. Wow. So yeah, I wonder if they're going to get the other scents too, like we've been rocking. I don't know. But that's here. Yes. So yes, on the Lowry's, right? We did pick up both. I forget what the other one is. I don't see it. But this is the Seasoned Cajun. I'm going to grab this for the girl's nurse, right? She saw mine and she was all about it, so I'm gonna grab her one too in the cart. Oh my goodness, when I say I am in and out, that is all that's rocking. The Power Blend, ginger chews, and some Lowry's. Every time I say that, I think of what is that movie? Mike Lowry. What is it called with Martin Lawrence and Will Smith? Them two. That's what I keep thinking about every time I see it. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. Oh, they're rocking the Ione Nail Palooza right up front. Like all of this stuff is up here by Ione. These are kind of fire, actually. They look fall-y to me. I would need two though. I like these. Yes, in the cart. I'm kind of feeling these. Yeah. I don't know. And these right here are rocking. Yeah, I think I'm going to just get the ones. I think I'm going to just grab these, the square round mediums. I'm probably going to have to cut one or two. Maybe not. But yeah, okay. Oh, here are these again. Memory foam, anti-stress therapy eye pillow. I picked up the black one. I think, yeah, there's a blue one there too. So yes on that. Yes on these bags right here. So these are the ones I'm using for the girls, right? For the vacay to put their personals in. I think Sydney's pink and Kara has the black one. So still 125. That's what I paid for them way back when. Not too much rocking in the makeup over here. No, I don't think I've ever seen these. The makeup brush cleaning palette. Yeah, the pink one is here and a purple. I see. Oh, that's nice. Flawless makeup application begins with a clean brush. Yes, indeed. So, yeah, these are 125, I feel like. Oh, that's cute. Look at these. That is funny. Look at the dinosaur. Is that a dinosaur? Yes. Oh, they are super cute. 125. Yes. Girl. Oh, they restocked these. The lint rollers. It's just the outside. Once you peel this off, it's just, you know, a lint roller. Miss Girl, I'm at the end. I'm going to just grab the nails. Yeah, I'm going to just grab the nails and get out of here. I'll see you soon. Bye. Oh, wow. Get out of here. The last time I was in here, they were $2 for $1. So they changed it to $4. What did I grab? I think it was the wine one and one other one. I forget which one it was. Maybe the Paul one. But yeah, all right, bye. Hey guys, I'm gonna do one more Dollar Tree. Oh, Hello Fall is up here. They're getting ready, home for the holidays. These were from last year, right? I feel like. I am gonna grab a couple of the Tiny Tinies. This is the Guru Nanda, the mouthwash, yes, for the vacay. in the cart. I love these glass nail files. So I'm gonna get a couple of these. Yes, I haven't seen them in so long, and it was only at that one store before. Wow, so I'm gonna grab a few in the cart. Oh, these are here. Remember the bath enhancers we saw? Relief is here, right? And the glow is here with that vitamin C. So I don't need anything big. I'm gonna grab this Hungry Jack for the vacay, right? So I'm gonna do the complete buttermilk one. Yes, in the cart. I wanted to grab these too. Yes, in the cart. All right, so back at the end again. I'm just gonna get these couple things. Wow, my Dollar Trees are not rocking. So I'm gonna take a break and I'll see you guys in Williamsburg. Yes. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.